Alright, German fleischsalat, or meat salad. The star of the show is the meat, of course, and you can use any kind of large sausage. This is a Romanian garlic sausage, which is rather good. But the one I prefer to use is something more like a polony, like this rather nice Lithuanian polony sausage. But at a push you can even use Spam. There's no reason why you can't, and you'll see why in a minute. You'll need some, what we call in England, gherkins, and in Germany Gurken, or dill pickles. And you need the sweet type for this, the sweet dill pickles. These are garlic pickles, dill pickles, and these are Polish, and they're really good and crunchy. You'll also need some mayonnaise, and you'll need some mustard. Now the sausage you can use a turkey sausage if you don't eat pork, or you can even use a beef sausage if you don't like pork. So there's no limits to this. You can do it pretty much as you like. So basically it's just preparation. So I'm going to use this one because it's already open. I've already taken some of it, and let's get moving. You'll also need a bit of Dijon mustard, which is lovely and tasty, and it helps to bind all the flavours together. Right, let's get started. Okay, I've taken my Vilnius sausage. This is, I think it's pork and, what's this one? Pork and turkey, I think it is. No, chicken and pork, this one. And I'm just going to cut it into rounds like that. And then I'll just take it into matchstick cuts like that. Really simple. And you can make it as fat or as thin as you like. I kind of like it a bit fat. And the same with your pickles. So you want about, for that amount of meat I would use just that one pickle. And I'm going to cut them at the bias rather thickly, like that. And then stack those like that. And then again cut them into strips, so it all ends up looking like that. And then I'll carry on now until I've got all this cut up and a requisite amount of pickle along with it. So the cut up job is complete. Now I just want to get into my large bowl. I want to put a good squirt of mayonnaise, about a cup for that amount. Get that into the bowl. Also get in a teaspoon, a very large teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and I think I might just put another half of one in there. Give that a stir, and then into that simply goes all your meat and your pickles. And then just stir it in to make your fleischsalat, to make your meat salad. And this goes great in wraps, it goes great as a sandwich filling, it's nice on the side as a salad item, as the main meat item for a salad. And there's that lovely combination of salty meaty strips and the crunch of the gherkins, which always go so well with charcuterie. So there we have it. Really simple to make, very straightforward and super delicious. German style fleischsalat or meat salad. Enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.